Hello Livewires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you a very simple wire wrap for earrings and pendants. I also have a ring tutorial where I use the same technique. I'll link that up below. I'm going to use 20 gauge wire. I have the artistic copper wire. I have my flat pliers, round pliers, cutters. I have my earring hooks, and these are my favorite beads that I use. Everybody knows I love miracle beads. These are the miracle beads. They have sort of a shimmer to them. They're actually made out of acrylic. They're very lightweight. So I have different colors. These are 8mm. I have the 6mm here and the 4mm. I use these ones a lot with my work. I also have small 4mm hematite beads. I also love hematite beads, and sort of a mix of glass beads here. These are round, smooth beads, and these are sort of round faceted beads. These ones are really pretty. They have a shimmer to them. And then this is the 6mm hematite, and also the 8mm hematite that I also use these ones a lot. Other beads that I love are the cat's eye beads. So these are the cat's eye beads. They have like a little line in them. They almost look like a cat's eye. And they also come in the 8, in the 4mm. And if you dig down here a little bit, I have some of the 6mm ones. So the earrings are super easy. You take about 3 inches of 20 gauge wire, and this is an 8mm miracle bead. We'll just slide it on there, and then we want to bend this one this way around to the front. So just rotate the bead, bend it around the front of the wire there, and then bend it around to the back. So just around here behind that wire, just around behind. So you'll see it goes like around the front and then to the back behind that middle wire. Now you're going to hold this in place, take this wire and just bend it around that one. Next, you'll just take your flush cutters, give it a little clip, pinch this in with the needle nose pliers, and then this one should be about 3/8 of an inch. If it's too long, just trim it down to about 3/8 of an inch. Get your looping pliers, and then with the smallest end, we're just going to hold it. If you have round pliers, that works too, and then just bend it at an angle, and then rotate it around to close that loop. So the loop is closed, and then we're just going to flatten it again, and from there we can get your shepherd's hook. This is a surgical steel earring hook. We'll put the earring on there, close it up, and there you have your super simple, super sweet little dangly earrings. Now if you want to make them dangle a little more, just cut your wire a little bit longer. This is about 4 inches. We're going to stick an 8mm cat's eye bead on there. Leave some space if you want to add some beads. And then just same thing, we're going to bend it around to the front, just around, and then it'll go to the back. So around to the back. If you need your pliers, just grab your pliers to bring it around to the back, and then hold the end and twist it around. Give it a good little tug, and then we're going to clip it with our flush cutters. Push that end in there. From there you can add beads. I have this really nice faceted glass bead. I always like to intersperse little metal spacer beads, and I have a 4mm cat's eye bead that is the same as the 8mm bead. So once you're happy with the number of beads you have on there, you can just clip it to about 3/8 of an inch. Cut it longer if you want a bigger loop, and then we're going to get our bail making pliers, give it a little bit of a bend, and then we're just going to turn this around to close the loop. And then if you need to flatten it a bit, you can. Now if you want to put this directly on a chain, just turn that a little half turn so it's perpendicular. Otherwise, if you want to attach a jump ring to put it on the chain, just open up your jump ring, stick it on the little pendant. I have these really nice stainless steel chains that I bought at my wholesaler in Montreal. I'll try to find a source and put it in the description of the video. We're going to close that up. And there you have your super simple little beaded pendant. Almost looks like a snowman. In fact, I'm going to link up below my tutorial for beaded snowman earrings. And the sky is the limit for this design. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.